Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. This morning I went to the grocery store and when I came out in the parking lot there were these geese. They're geese, right? I don't know what came over me, but I just started throwing crackers at them, organic crackers. Anyway, they were getting really close, so at a certain point I just threw a big handful and I just got out of there quickly. Okay, for the video, like I said in the title, it's my makeup is closing in on me. It's just, there's too much. I want to do a cleanup. Does anyone else have a really hard time with decluttering? I feel like every little makeup product is a friend of mine. I can't get rid of it. Even if I know I'm never going to use it, I just love all my makeup. So I'm just going to have to find a way to clean up and reorganize or do something. I don't know. Let's just get right into it. I've talked about all of these a lot in the past, so I'm not going to talk about them too much. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Let's start off with Smashbox, the Cali palette. This palette is a little dark for me. I really love it though, especially the blush, and it's still available. Next is by Tarte, Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust Eye and Cheek Palette. You have 10 shades, matte to metallic. I've used it twice, but it's very pretty. This palette is not available anymore, but Tarte always has an Amazonian clay blush palette available. I love traveling with this one. I hold it up to my clothes and figure out what shade I'm going to wear. Another round palette by Tarte. I find them hard to stack and organize, but this is the Rainforest of the Sea, number 1. I think we got it in BoxyCharm. This is Tarte Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette. It was exclusive to BoxyCharm. I love this one. This is Too Faced Natural Matte. This is the old packaging. I've used this so much. I love it so much. I don't know what I'm going to do when it expires. Next on deck is Stila Perfect Me, Perfect Hue. Hey, isn't that clever? No, not really. See this middle shade? That's why I'm keeping it, the Stila Kitten. They have a light, a medium, and a dark formula. I find this really expensive and overall a very dry formula. Not my favorite. Can't get rid of it. This is by Becca. It's the Chloe palette. It's the more bronzy one. These are on sale now if you look around. They're really good. I did separate videos for both the Chloe and the Malika palette. This is the Malika palette. I love using these in winter. These are so pretty. This next is Sephora I Love. These are relatively new. There's a whole bunch of them. These are really inexpensive. They're great quality. Really love it. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Look in an Instant palette. I remember I was so happy when I got this one. It was my first Charlotte Tilbury purchase. I never use it. It's very subtle. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a very light daytime look. Charlotte Tilbury has changed since then. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Blush palette. I never use this one either. It's very nice, so there's nothing wrong with it. Can I ever do one video without showing you the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette? This is my favorite product. There's a darker version available. I really want that one too. If you're going to splurge on Charlotte Tilbury, you might want to look into these. Where am I going to put all this stuff? Over here. Okay. This little cutie is Vlada by Smashbox. I love it because of the warm shades and that it's complete on its own. It's really pretty. It's easy to carry. And this is MAC Amber ×9. This is great for your base makeup. I love MAC. I'm so into MAC lately. Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in Pink Quartz. I love this one on my lids. I like to either take the little brown strip or the little pink strip or blend them all together or just use it as a highlighter. It's really nice. MAC Classic Eyeshadows, top left, All That Glitters. On the right, Tight de Tint, and on the bottom right is Nylon. This is Tarte Fairy Flush Blush, and it really is a very light flush. They put it out with Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust. A very soft flush of color. It's very pretty, but I never use it. Now this little baby is the Ultra Highlighter in the shade Star Island. I really like it. I think it reminds me of MAC Double Gleam, and I think we got it in BoxyCharm. And here is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. This is the lightest bronzer I've ever come across. And the Soleil Bronzer, this one smells like chocolate too. It's a little bit darker. A couple of videos back I did MAC favorites and I couldn't stop carrying on about how much I love these Hush and Pearl Cream Color Base. Look into these, they're beautiful. Seriously, check these out. Seriously, check them out. Yeah. This is Tom Ford Basque number 4. It's not available in North America. I had to order it from Europe at Harvey Nicks. It's not cheap. I like it a lot. I just wish the bottom right blush was a blush and not a pink highlighter. It's not what I expected, but I still like it. This is Tom Ford bronzer in the shade Terra. This is the new formula. I don't know why they still sell the old formula if it was problematic. Just watch out for that. I did a video on the Tom Ford bronzers. I'll try to remember to link them all below. This one is in the shade Gold Dust. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. It's a beautiful palette finishing powder set. I gotta use it up, it's so expensive. Tarte Amazonian Clay Blushes, Blushing Bride, Exposed, and Seduced. These are a great long-wearing formula. This is Idol, Partey, and Harmony. Still some of these available at the Nordstrom sale. The Laura Mercier Trade Chic palette. I talked about it in my Nordstrom sale video. Gorgeous palette. Charlotte Tilbury Stars in Your Eyes palette. It's a beauty. Next is the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. Can we all just stare at it for 20 minutes? You know what? This video is getting really long. I think we need to wrap it up. What do you guys think? I mean, how long is this going to go on till Christmas? You know? Let's just stare at this one. I could stare at it all day. This is such a nice palette. I hesitated so long because, you know, it's expensive, but I really, really love this one. This one, let's just stare at it. Okay. You know what? This is getting ridiculously long. There are other people that want you to watch their videos too, so I think I'm going to wrap it up. Phew. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more, I'm sure you'll let me know, right? Bye. So after I cleaned and organized everything, I took a couple of my organizers and I put them away, and I'm just going to rotate them because they're just suffocating me. And I feel like I can access my stuff better now. I feel like it's nice and it's not as squishy. So that'll be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.